Shopping smart. Shopping smart means making good choices about what you buy. Many people compare prices in different stores. They want to find the best deal for their money. This helps them save. Some people wait for sales or discounts. They buy things during special times like Black Friday. Using coupons or online codes is another way to save money. These small actions make shopping cheaper. Before buying something, people often ask themselves questions. Do I really need this? Will I use it often? If the answer is no, it may be better not to buy it. This prevents waste. Shopping smart is also about quality. Sometimes a cheap product does not last long. Paying a little more for something better can save money in the long term. When people shop smart, they feel good about their decisions. They spend less, waste less, and use their money more wisely.